Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here, I have your website here, and I come down here to your header tags. And right now your H1 headings are Sonoma County Lighting Pros, then your company name, generators, $25 off. So if you go back to your website, so this was a heading tag. So basically you're telling Google that your site's about $25 off. Obviously it's not about that. You really want to make it what your site's about. For example, like a keyword like Sonoma County Electricians or Sonoma County Electrical. You'd want it, even have it in place of this or even up here. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. So the metadata, I did a Google search here for Sonoma County Electricians. The metadata is all these blue lines here. So basically, you can see that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County Electricians, and that's why they're at the top position. So basically, the calls are all going to these guys. On the maps and then also in the organic search, and I can get you on the first page for both. But right now you're not really anywhere to be found, but let's go check out your title tags and see what's going on with those. So you'll see your title tag is actually your company name. And if someone were to Google that, I'm sure you'd be right up there, number one, number two. But again, who's going to Google that when they're looking for an electrical company or an electrician? They're going to Google electrician or electrical company, Sonoma County Electric Company, or similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see right away. Just these small little changes really help you rank. And also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't ever use Google, because a lot of business owners, they'll Google their company word and then look for themselves. And as the weeks go by, they keep checking the same Sonoma County Electricians or Sonoma County Electric. And slowly Google's going to start moving you up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead you always want to use a third-party tool. I use Rank Tracker. You can get a free subscription for a month if you like. But anyway, you put in your URL and then you add your keywords, and it actually will pull your rank and it'll check it every single day. So I have you pulled up here, and you can see right now that obviously you're ranked number one for your company name. I did that just to show you. But again, nobody's going to Google that, right? So I pulled up some other keywords, and really you're ranking like on page 600. I mean, obviously nobody's going to go that far into Google. I really liked your website, and I thought that I could help you, make it a little bit more appealing, but most importantly, get you on that top first page. Because that'll significantly increase your income, because that's really where 90% of traffic is. And most people just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I definitely don't. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time, and I wish you much success.